Hey guys, we're at that time of year again where you start getting ready to either put up hay or already have put up hay, or looking to do some repairs before you actually get started. So we just wanted to make you aware of some of the products that are available through Sloan Express. Over here on my right is one of the lacing tools that we have. This is a 7-inch one. There's also a 14-inch available. This is our most common one. We've already got it put together in the box. It's disassembled, but kind of wanted to let you see what it looked like when it was assembled. Has everything put together here as far as all your little sets and everything for putting your splice in. And then we'll just kind of walk through different hook styles. So we've got, like some of your round hooks. I always like to kind of call these a little bit of a square hook because they are kind of square in form, a little bit longer as size. Then we got some other round hooks over here, stainless, that type of thing. The biggest thing we want to make sure that everybody's aware of is when you're looking at these types of hooks, a couple things to focus on is your texture of your belting itself, and even looking at what ply size, because some of these are made to just fit certain ply sizes. Otherwise, the hook gets through too far, and that can actually damage the belting on the backside. So we want to make sure we get the proper sizing, and we're figuring out what texture we have on our belt. And then we also have some of our little Baler splicing kits as well. As you can see here, this complete kit, I think it does like 2 belts, if I remember correctly. It also gives you the rivets as well to assemble them. Come a complete kit, and they also have little splice pins in there as well. And then last but not least, we have our little splice pins themselves. These are for the 7-inch. We do also have another size or 2 available for that. So like I said, just wanted to kind of go over this with you, that way you know what was available. And you can either check it on sloanex.com or even check it out on our catalog. If you have more questions, feel free to call us at 800-934-9777.